Hello, hello, hello. It's Christine Trainer here, talking to you from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. And if you're new to my channel, come for a little walk with me and let me have a little quick chat with you. How's that? I am digital marketing as well as an entrepreneur, and I have been for the past couple of years. As this is my channel, it is tips and strategies with online marketing and more. And as you can see, it's me. I just have prescribed glasses and they shade in the sun. And if I can't see too much if I don't wear them. And let's see, let me continue on as I share with you. I'm going to be sharing with you today a little bit more depth about Successful Solution Method, the program I'm on right now, the digital marketing program, as well as it is a task-based program, task-based educational program. And today is a day I want to share it with you. But first, let me give you a quick little skinny about me. I'm 60 years old, and of course, you see, I live in New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. I have been most of my life here. And the reason why I started into online marketing is this. I am from the College of Life, had a variety of different jobs in my lifetime. But I tell you, the last job that stuck with me really good was I worked in an office with my sister doing direct marketing, and I really got the taste of that. So after some few health issues, I started to go back to work when I was 58. Didn't have much luck. You know, I had problems getting work, so I decided this. You know what? Online marketing, working home was a passion of mine. I wanted to do that. Boy, did I want to do it. So I started it 2 years ago. And I've had some ups and downs, I've earned some income, learned some interesting things, been on a variety of programs. But of course, 3.5 months ago when I started Successful Solution Method, I started with this beautiful program. I started to realize I am earning and I'm learning and I'm understanding. So in the next segment, we're going to have a bit more of a review of Successful Solution Method and what it's done for me. Yes, indeed. So I thought I'd share that with you today. And don't forget, since you are maybe new to my channel, don't forget to love and comment on my video, as well as subscribe to my channel, as I have many more videos of tips and strategies online marketing to share with you too. And don't forget to click the notification button, bell for the notification button for my next video too. It's a good one. And I want to say this is going to be fun. So stay to the end of my video while I share with you some information and some proof this beautiful program works. Let's carry on to the review, okay? Hello, 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 I'm back, everyone. It's Christine Trainer talking to you, of course, from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada, as I continue on my strategies and tips and strategies online marketing. Today, of course, as I shared before, we're going to be talking about my review of Successful Solution Method, and we're just going to talk about my back office and what it entails and what it's all about, because it's a very, very superb, wonderful digital marketing platform. A task-based program, shall we say, a task-based educational program for those newbies as well as online entrepreneurs that have been around for a while who need a little bit more help in earning some income online. And that's what Successful Solution Method is all about. That's what Amanda Rye created. For everyone, this program is for everyone. Even if you're a seasoned marketer, start from square one and start all over again, because the trainings are amazing. So let's get on to my back office. So I share with you, it's very simple. You just in the back office here. And this is our members area. And as you can see, I'm on my cell phone. So what does that mean? That means one thing, guys, that you can work on your cell phone. You can go on your cell phone and do stuff. That's the beautiful part of working for Successful Solution. Be a part of it. You can really use it on any device. Your desktop, your laptop, your tablet, your cell phone. You can take it anywhere. That's the beautiful part of working online. Now, this part here, of course, is your members area, accounts, support. Support is great because you just go support Successful Solution Method and you can get the help you need. Okay. Of course, we have joined the Facebook group. You can do that from here. You know, it's important. That's one of the steps. You have to join the Facebook group. Of course, you log out. This is your account. That's basically information talking about your account. Shouldn't be sharing that. And of course, the members area is back on the members area. Now, I want to show you the video. Why? Because as soon as you get to your back office, the first thing you do is you go welcome to SSSM, and the first thing you do, you get a video of Amanda Rye giving you step by step how to get through this. And what other company does that? Nobody does that. No owner does go on and do that. And that's the beautiful part of Successful Solution that sets it apart, because we're hands-on and we engage.
everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video. And what I want to do is make sure that you're off to a fast start with Successful Solution Method. It is very important that you watch the entire video, because what I'm going to do is take you through the different tabs that we have so you know exactly what to do and there's no confusion on what you need to do to get started. Not only that, by watching this video, it's going to make sure that you are set up for success so that you can start getting paid. You know how to get your traffic. You know the different tasks that are involved on a daily basis in order for you to start earning consistently online.
This is
affiliate, it'll be green. Then you're going to move down to step.
Now she goes step by step. She starts you from each one. And it's like, it only takes 10 minutes for you to set up. 10 minutes, it doesn't take very long to set up, to get things in order. You're already set up, but you need to go from square one. So what you do is you go where to start here. Success Coach meeting, get your referral links, member only traffic, and member fast start. So you go to start here, and you start with some information, your fast start, and you start from step 1 to 5 and further. Step 1, you join your Facebook group, our Facebook group, which I already shared with you earlier. Step 2, you register as an affiliate. It's all there, all the information. Steps 1, 2, 3, everything. Register an affiliate, agree to terms, access your account. Step 2, commissions, payments. And then they have videos that are going to help you get through it. Okay?
Welcome to the Successful Solution Methods affiliate program. Every time you refer a new customer to Successful Solution Method, who becomes a...
So there it is again, Amanda sharing with you a video, giving you step-by-step information to help you get through it, right? And that's basically help you set up your Stripe account. But those who are non-Canadian, non-American members, of course, we do the PayPal, which is a very simple one. But she shows you that, okay? And then shows you how to link, to find where your link your website, and that's even better. And she gives you she helps you get a domain, I do believe. And shows you the website.
Okay, hey all SSM members, what I want to do is take this time to go.
Well. And of course, the digital choice, you have digital postcards, and of course you claim, if you're a bronze member, of course, I'll share that later, you have to pay for them. But silver and up, you don't, it's part of the package. But these are the digital postcards that you will be ordering, which will make sure you put your picture here, and of course your domain name here. Or you just have it like this and just your domain name. All very simple. You just fill out the form, very simple to process, and you submit it. That's very simple, right? And that's all part of when you want to do that, which is part of your affiliate program, right? That's very simple. Now, then you go to step 3 and they talk about to increase your commissions. Very simple. You go through each video, gives you all the information you need. Get you starting to join the Facebook group, information about that, and the video of that. Payment approved is when you receive a banner that you've earned some income, and you take that banner, you put it on your Facebook group, the Facebook group, which is our Facebook group. You put it on your storyline, as well as you send an email. All information is here. Basically, every time you receive a payment, you will receive a banner stating that you have a payment on the way. You must post this banner in our Facebook group with a short message, your story on your storyline, and send a video. Basically, a short message, happy that you received it, whatever you want to do. And of course, that's it, and then of course right here it says you the information, just gives you the information about it as well. Now, in here, the trainings, you must attend trainings every week. That's important because you have to basically know what's going on, and plus you get credit for attending training, because this is part of these income producing activities that I shared with you. And of course, and next one, you must attend every webinar. That's part of it as well, to show Amanda that you're part of the team. We are engaging, we are a community. And of course, traffic packages are very important as well. And let me share with you, and the traffic packages is part of the income producing activities. Traffic packages, of course, these are unique in all business. This is good in online business. You need to acquire traffic packages, because as a member of a team, we have solved this problem for you to buy, giving you exclusive access to our high quality and proven lead sources. Every lead we generate for you as a highly targeted, interested potential customer and is actively looking for income, and that's what they are. Okay, and you have 3 packages, 125, 175, and the highest is 225. And of course, you just basically fill out the form down here for credit, or you can have an invoice sent to you and you pay within a day or two. Simple, right? And then, oops, keep going. That is part of your income producing activities to increase your commissions, okay? And of course, we have step 4. I already shared with you the package. Step 5 is always important because you're going to meet with a success coach. You schedule a success coach and you will basically speak to them for 15 minutes. And basically it's this, for the first 30 days of your membership, your success coach will help you get set up, answer common questions, and make sure you have a real game plan for day 1. And you schedule it very simple, to the point. And of course, we have a newest one where we have onboarding session with our wonderful success coach, Kurt Worrell, and he does that as well. And that's Fridays and Sundays at 9 a.m. for more good in-depth training, as well as the new older members do it as well. And of course, join the Telegram group, because that is part of our income producing activities as well. You must engage in a Telegram group. Plus, it's good to help one another because you help boost the posts that go out as well. And of course, download the Telegram app if you don't have that. There's information about that. And then how to upgrade for the next level. You just basically go to support at Successful Solution Method and you just share to let them know. So that is skinny. That is the beautiful part of Successful Solution Method. Very simple, to the point, right? Let's go back to the beginning, to the members area. And I'm going to share with you the packages, which are very simple. We have bronze, we have silver, we have gold, we have platinum, and we have diamond. And these all are catered to where a marketer is at, whether you're a newbie, whether you are seasoned marketer. They're all catered to each one. Information, webinar, because I know even regardless of what shall we say package you're at, you still have to go to the bronze package, because that's where you see all the training replays. So even if you're on the other package and you want to continue to go back to the training replays, this is where you'll go to see all the training replays, all the webinar replays, all the information you need to know. Okay, and everything else, that's all part of the bronze, but you still have to go back to that if you want to get some more extra information. So when you become a member, even whatever package you are and you want to go back to your trainings, this is where you go back to your trainings as well. And silver is basically continuing on for more information. And then of course, gold package, you are doing the video marketing masterclass, which is quite good. I enjoyed it. But I'm also on the platinum member right now, which is high converting email vaults, custom Facebook image ads, and of course I had a 30-minute private session with a coach. Now of course there's also diamond, which is actually the next level, okay, of all what you need to do. So that is basically that is Successful Solution Method. That is your back office. Very simple, very to the point, and very easy. And I'm going to go show you one more thing. Let me go back to my Facebook page before I end this right now. Just a quick little overview of my Facebook page for a minute or two. Okay, let's go to, pardon me. Okay, as you can see, it's more professionally done because that's part of the income producing activities. That is important, guys. But I must go to share with you something. I'm going down to the very bottom as much as I can to share with you some of when I got started, how my engagement was not 100%. Let me go to the very bottom. Oh, I gotta go to the very bottom, guys. Oh, I've been in it for 3.5 months, so I have to really go down, guys. I've been in it since the beginning, so it's, let me see if I can show you something that didn't do very well at. Mind you, I've been actually increasing even my videos have done very well, but let me see one that's done not too well. You see, some of our members are doing better. Why are they doing better? Because they're increasing their engagement by working the steps, doing the tasks on a daily basis on Successful Solution Method. And I can honestly tell you, being on Successful Solution Method has been a game changer for me. Why has it been a game changer for me? This was 121, and I could see it didn't do as well as it should have. But I can honestly say that when I used to do videos, they were not doing very well. Now I'm going to show you a video that did superbly well, and the highest I've ever done for a video. And I don't normally do that well on videos, normally 110, 120. But this video, one of my videos, I was discussing something, did phenomenal. Why? Because I went and did the trainings. I do the trainings on a weekly basis, go back to the trainings on a weekly basis, and I remember what I'm supposed to do. And this video, just like 269, this video is doing better. This one is 281. This video 469. Why? I was talking about my morning routine. It was just something I shared. 469 views, the highest I've ever had for a video. I was blown away. I kid you not, I was blown away. Blown away. And some of my they get higher and higher. That's what I noticed lately. They're getting higher and higher. This one did 288. This one did 286. Is one of my better ones as well. And I want to show you one of the more recent ones that did very well. But normally I would do like 50 and 40 and 30. I kid you not, my engagement was vicious. But in Successful Solution Method, this one actually did 197. I was creating this. This one is 280. I was sharing a history, some information. Now, why I'm sharing this with you now is because it works. It's working for me. I am increasing my engagement on a higher level than I never did in my life, in my page. Because I did the trainings. I apply the trainings on a daily basis. And that's the beauty of Successful Solution Method. And I have been a Successful Solution Method 3.5 months. Earned, let's see, I've actually earned, I'm proud to say, I've actually earned close to $3,600 in this past 3.5 months. And I barely earned any money for 2 years. And I've been in this company, in this beautiful platform for 3.5 months. There you go. Amazing, right? So I hope this gave you some value. You know, that I'm very proud to be a part of Successful Solution Method. I'm just going to go to the page right now. I'm very proud to be a member of Successful Solution Method. 5.5 members on this group, man. So down below in my information, in my description, I have the Successful Solution Method link. Pop on over. Be a part of this community. It's going to help you build your business the right way online through your Facebook profile. I tell you, it's done wonders for me, and I love it. That's why I'm a part of it, and that's why I'm proud to be a part of it, and that's why it's changed my life. It's an amazing, the webinars, the trainings, the phenomenal leadership, beautiful success coaches. It's just wonderful. I love this community, and the fact that we are a team. Each one of us do the trainings together, and we enjoy it. It's amazing. And down below, of course, I have this beautiful Facebook group link as well. Pop on over, be a part of the community, really learn and engage as well. And if you have any more questions, want to get to know me, well, I have my Facebook page as well. And don't forget, like I said in my intro, love and comment my video as well as subscribe to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I would love for you to see more of what I have to share, because ring the bell below and with a notification of my next video as well, my lovely friends. And remember this, it's beautiful community of Successful Solution Method. It works if you work it. Yes, it's indeed an excellent program. So I hope this gave you value, my lovely friends. And don't forget, I'm always here on tips and strategy in online marketing and more. So see you on the other side to success, my lovely friends. I love you all. Talk to you soon. Bye.